Now that we're at level 2, let's see what further equipment we'll need. First of all, a larger water bottle. For every hour of hiking, you should estimate to have at least, let's say, around 1 liter. So if you're hiking for 3 hours, you may need 3 liters of water. However, you may need less depending on the weather. If it's hotter, then you might need more. If it's cold, then you sweat less, so you won't get as dehydrated. First aid kit. If you have read our tutorials, you know that first aid is important for outings such as these. So you need a first aid kit to make sure that you can treat injuries. Sunscreen and insect repellents are also important, as the sunscreen will help you protect you from UV light from the sun, while insect repellent will protect you from insect stings. Having a compass and a map is also important for navigating, which we will learn later on in this level. We also have basic hygiene tools such as a wet tissue, dry tissue, and hand sanitizer for any messes that you may make during the way or when you need to sanitize your hands. Finally, we have a headlight, which is important if you're doing night hiking or hiking through caves, as you need a headlight to guide your way.